Anzhuang is the best way to install jailbreak apps for iOS 11.2.2. It's a straightforward online method. However, you cannot install Anzhuang from App Store or directly on your device. You must have installed a third-party app stores such as zJailbreak, Zobsi, iExtras, etc. Unfortunately, most of third-party app stores are donationware. So let me show you the free method to install Anzhuang on your device. Visit the iOS 11.2.2 page of Penguin website to install zJailbreak. Most of these third-party app stores are donationwares. You must donate to them to download Anzhuang from zJailbreak. In Penguin website, we have provided registration codes for the zJailbreak for free. Okay, go back to the page again. You can find a freemium registration codes from here. Some codes may work. We always update the page with new registration codes. Also, you can share your registration codes with us. After the upgrade of zJailbreak app, you can install the Anzhuang on your device. Open Anzhuang and browse the Jailbreak app categories. Select a Jailbreak app, generate the developer code, and paste into the Anzhuang app. Then tap the Install button to install it to your device. It is very easy to install Jailbreak apps from Anzhuang. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.